Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 61 in IQ Dungeon. So to do this, just first thing, make the screenshot right when the level opens and all of the statues are loaded. Then press on this statue right here, and right now you'll need to repeat the pattern we've seen in our screenshot to right here, and that's why we saved the screenshot. You can also memorize it if you prefer, but I'm just gonna use the screenshot because it's much easier. So the first one is waving, another one has its one eye closed, so like this. Then the next one has his hands tied up and like this, and the next one was waving with both hands and has its eyes closed like this. And the level is complete. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.